know, peeps. So my son gave me an idea, and he wants me to try it. So I'm going to go ahead and go roll with it. So he watches my channel and stuff, so he's quite interested in some of the stuff I make. So he came up with an interesting idea. Remember the pizza that I made with the Texas toast? Where he wants me to make 2 of these pizzas and then slide this hamburger into its DM. That's how you young folks say it. So I'm going to make 2 pepperoni pizzas using the 3 cheese Texas toast. And I'm going to slide this hamburger in between it and then let him come on and do a taste test. Oh, yeah. So let me go ahead and get this stuff cooking. I got to get this cooking. This takes the longest, the hamburger, and then I'm going to heat up the toast and prep that. I'm not going to cover the video of how I did it because I've already did videos on this. That'll just be redundant. And then we're going to jump straight to him doing the taste test. So I'll be right back. Peeps, guess what? We about to do something real crazy. So my son gave me a suggestion of doing 2 Texas toast pepperoni with a hamburger slammed into his DM. And he likes ketchup, so we're gonna go out and let him do that. Go, you go work that thing, young blood.
Yeah, let me get that.
Go get the heck. Nah, me, I love the onion, but I see you good with just ketchup. We'll see how that works out. Snacky cat. Oh yeah. Ooh. Oh, that's definitely Fat Boy Burger. We're gonna get that. Oh yeah. We want to see the expression on that face when you go crunch it. Oh, I hear that crunch. Oh yeah, that cheese and stuff squirt out the back like you just blew out a bad tire. Look at him. He's sucking it up like a rhino. I know it's hot.
Yeah, it's hot.
Yeah. Watch out for the pizza. What it tastes like? Gosh, I see the back end of all that coming out. I'm scared. Let me just get this corn over here.
I was trying to come back.
That's not bad at all. That is, wow. That was actually a good suggestion, putting that hamburger in between those 2 pieces of French toast pizza. Mm-hmm. Wow. For all the fat boys out there, there's an option for you. That is, wow. That is absolutely delicious.
I love it.
I think I'm going to have to make one for myself. So, wow. Whew. Man, thank you for that idea, because I didn't think about, I was actually going to do something else. And I think I'm still going to do it, but.
You talking about with the waffle?
Absolutely. Yeah, that's going to be another fat boy's dream. I ain't going to go into details of what it is until I produce it. And so that, wow. Because I already knew that Texas toast was going to be delicious. I didn't even think about slamming a pizza hamburger in between them.
No, I already knew that was going to be good.
Oh, because you already tried it.
It's a fat boy's heaven.
Actually, I would have to agree with you 100%. That is absolutely delicious. And that's you heard that from a thin young man. How a burger meant for fat people were actually delicious. Because that's all taste. That's it. It may not be the healthiest, but it's all delicious. Wow.
Yeah, we definitely got some more stuff coming in, so stay tuned.
Oh yeah. I'm not going to say it. I'll let you watch it, because something else coming up some other videos coming down the chain is going to blow your mind. So stay tuned. We'll talk to you later. Take care, family.